So it's pretty commonplace nowadays to shop around for the best bank account out there in terms of features, interest rates, etc. And in your kind of shopping around, you may have come across a bank called BBVA Bank. So in this video, we're going to be going over what BBVA Bank is, whether it is a good option for you, and some of the top features and benefits that this bank account does have to offer. And if at any point you do want to sign up for a BBVA Bank account and support the channel, you can find a link in the description below that will help us do just that. Otherwise, no worries, and let's dive right on into the review. So quick highlights here. What we're kind of looking at with BBVA is you've got a premium and a regular checking account. You've got some savings accounts that have fairly low interest rates. You've got a very transparent fee structure. You've got some money market accounts, some CDs, some IRAs that we're going to be diving into each of those. And we've actually got an acquisition on the horizon for BBVA. They're about to be bought out by PNC Bank, which will make PNC Bank the 5th largest bank around. So we'll talk about what that means for BBVA as well. Now, first off, what actually is BBVA Bank? Well, they were founded in 1964 in Birmingham, Alabama, and they're kind of a full-service banking solution. They've got about 649 locations across the United States, and they offer a variety of different banking products, like I mentioned just a little bit ago. Now, in November of 2020, PNC Bank announced that they were actually going to be acquiring BBVA in the middle of this year, 2021. So that should be rolling out in the next couple of months here. Now, it's pretty uncertain what this will actually mean for BBVA. It could mean a change in interest rates. It could mean a whole number of things. They might just end up getting rolled into PNC. So all BBVA accounts might get rolled into PNC accounts. We'll have to kind of see how that plays out. They kind of have a lot of choices when it comes to how these acquisitions tend to work. So we'll have to just kind of stay tuned for that. But diving into the various products that BBVA does actually offer, the first of which is their checking accounts. So they have two different types of checking accounts, a regular checking account and a premium checking account. Both of these are going to require a $25 minimum deposit to get started, and they're going to have fee-free access to over 64,000 ATMs across the United States. You're also going to be getting a cashback debit card with both accounts that syncs up with an app on your phone that tells you where you're going to be getting the most cash back when you do swipe that card. Now, with the regular checking account, there are going to be no monthly or maintenance fees required, except for a potential $3 per month paper statement fee if you do not opt in to paperless. So if you tell them you want paperless statements, there'll be no fee, but if you want those paper statements delivered to you, that's going to be $3 per month. Now, with the premium account, you're getting a couple extra bells and whistles beyond just the regular checking account. The first of which is you're getting a 0.1% APY on your checking account balance. So this is kind of unique that you're earning interest on your checking account. And then in addition to that, you're going to get 2 reimbursements every single month of ATM fees if you're using an ATM outside of that 64,000 ATM network. Now, these added benefits do come with a monthly price tag of $19, but if you maintain a minimum balance of $4,000 in your account, you will not be paying that fee, and it'll be completely free for you to use this checking account. Now, when it comes to savings accounts, BBVA also has 2 different options available to you. They've got their online savings and their BBVA savings, and the differences between these two are fairly minimal. Both accounts are going to require a $25 minimum deposit to get started with, and they both do offer very, very low interest rates. So we're talking 0.01% APY, which is extremely low, even in the low interest rate environment that we're currently in. The average for bank accounts out there, for savings accounts out there, is 0.04%, so that is 4 times greater than you're getting with BBVA, and there are many other high yield accounts out there that'll get you anywhere up to about 0.5% interest from that particular savings account. Now, the online savings account does not have any monthly fees, but you are limited to 4 withdrawals per month. With the BBVA savings account, you're going to be paying $15 per quarter, but if you maintain a minimum balance of $500 in your account, then that fee is going to be waived. Now, the next product that BBVA actually offers are what are called certificates of deposit. Now, these are going to range anywhere from 11 to 36 months, and the interest rate at the moment of recording this video is 0.05% on those CDs. Now, again, these are pretty low compared to other CD options out there, and you're probably going to be able to find better options elsewhere. But if you're not familiar with what a CD actually is, let's just dive into that fairly quickly. Now, a CD is essentially a savings instrument that is created by banks, and it kind of guarantees you a certain interest rate for a particular period of time. So, for example, if you had a 36-month CD, you're being guaranteed a certain interest rate for a full 36 months. But during that time period, your money is somewhat locked up, and if you try to withdraw it, there may be a penalty for doing so. So you have to kind of commit to that time period to put your money into that vehicle. Now, the main benefit of a CD is that guaranteed rate of return, because compared to something like the stock market, where your returns are far from guaranteed, with a CD, you know what you're getting going into it, and there are no surprises down the line. Now, beyond that, BBVA actually also offers a money market account. Now, this also requires a $25 minimum deposit in order to open up. And during the first 3 months of having the account open, you're going to earn a 0.1% APY. After that, the rate is going to decrease, determined based on how much money you have in the account and where you are actually located. Now, this account does have a $15 monthly fee, but if you maintain a $10,000 minimum balance in your account, that fee will be waived. So now that you understand the main products that BBVA offers, let's talk a little bit about securities. This is very important with any financial institution that you interact with. How secure are your funds going to be? Well, BBVA is quite secure. They are a member of the FDIC, which means the first $250,000 of your funds are fully insured by the FDIC. Users can also access the Clear Benefits program for $4 per month, which is going to give them identity theft protection if they want to use that service from BBVA. So to tie things all together here, BBVA is a full-service online bank. They do have some physical branches as well, spread out across the United States, and they offer a number of different services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, CDs, and money markets. Now, while their interest rates might not be the most competitive, it could be convenient for you based on where you are located in the world. And so if you're interested in opening up a BBVA account, you can find links in the description below that will help to support the channel. Additionally, we have a full comprehensive review of BBVA Bank over on our website, investingsimple.com. The best way to find that is to head on over to Google, search for BBVA Bank Review, and then click on the link for investingsimple.com. We'll see you over there.